How to enable repeat notification alert on Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to notifications. Here you can see the notifications. Now tap the advanced settings. Here scroll down. Here you can find the repeat notification alerts. You can toggle on or toggle off it. To customize it, tap on the repeat notification alert. Now repeat alerts for notification from the apps you select. After you dismiss a notification, the alert will no longer reach. So toggle on this option. Now here you can select app to repeat alerts. So here we select Chrome for Facebook. Now go back. Here you can see repeat interval 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So here we select 3 minutes. Also enable vibrate when sound play option. So this is the setting you can customize to automatically repeat notification alert when you receive for specific app like you select on your device. Quite easy. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it to turn off the repeat notification alert on Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.